While the challenges are significant, the good news is that we have the technology to ensure clean water access for everyone. While the challenges are significant, the good news is that we have the technology to ensure clean water access for everyone. This visualization clearly shows the stark contrast: clean, accessible water rapidly diminishing while pollution spreads globally. How are the readings looking?
It's bad. pH 4.2 and dropping. The pollution index is spiking.
I have the sample. Let's get it analyzed. The readings from the probe confirm high toxicity levels.
And this water is visibly contaminated. We have to report this immediately.
As you can see, the microbial layer is performing better than expected, significantly increasing overall efficiency. It works! It finally works!
Clean water! We have clean water!
I'm proud to report that the Clean Water Project is officially a success. Look at the impact we're having. It's operational. The village finally has clean water. Thank you so much.